Hello, future toppers. My name is Santosh Gupta, and I am working as Assistant Commissioner in Commercial Tax Department in Government of Bihar. I qualified all six prelims out of all six attempts with a score always above 130. I scored 145.34 when cutoff was 102 and 142 when cutoff was 98. Wrote all six mains and also appeared for interview in three attempts. I also qualified UPSC EPFO in 2017 and BPSC 5659 in 2018. Now exactly 90 days are left for prelims 2021. And so what you need to do for the assured success in prelims 2021? I relied on six things to help me score up to 145.34. First, a clear strategy that is needed for next 90 days. Second, you need to effectively remember whole syllabus on the eve of exams. That is the need of revision. Third, we have to cover current affair at least for 1 year. Fourth, we need to practice lots of tests. I practiced lots of tests. Fifth, we need a mentor which helps you to fulfill the critical gaps of preparation. And last, not the least, that is confidence and consistency. Both are highly important to maintain our pace of preparation in the next 90 days. And to ensure all this, I have launched a Super 25 Select group. What it is? In this group, only those aspirants who are scoring and stuck in 80s or 90s in last one or two attempts but want to score up to 130 or beyond to help clear both civil services, even forest services. They will be included. Second group who have at least appeared prelims at least once. Those only will be selected, and intake is limited to only for 25 so that there is a effective monitoring. And let me tell you the features. There are at least 10 things that distinguish from the regular mentorship program. First, it is a complete 90 days testing and mentoring strategy. You will be in the contact with me for next 90 days. There will be 30 tests for prelims 2021. That is every third day we have to give a test and it has to be evaluated properly. There will be a subject specific critical input I will provide in each subject, whether polity, economy, geography, which areas to focus, which area UPSC is focusing. Fourth, there will be individual personal attention from all of you from my side, that to work on the weakness of all those who are joining this. Sixth, there will be mentor calls from me from every week at least twice before and after test so that your preparation is on the pace. And then there will be Zoom meetings also for discussion and important topic. In the Zoom meetings, I will discuss important topics that we tend to neglect for the test, and also highlight the important areas that more and more is required for the prelims. And also there will be daily monitoring of the targets that will be given in the advance before the test. We have to read and revise again and again. And there will be current affair. We have to complete at least 1 year of current affairs. I will also give daily current affair to read, which will enhance our preparation. And all of this test, all of this study is completely evidence based. The questions that UPSC asking, and so that they ensure that your preparation is 360-degree and holistic, not that you have studied static, current, or practicing test. It is like a thali. You have rice, dal, or vegetable. But if you do not mix it properly, its taste will not good. So the whole preparation studies should properly be included, whether you are reading static, current affairs, or test. It has to be integrated holistically to increase your score in the actual exam. And in this select group, I will be inculcating at least 5 aspects of the preparation. First, for the revision, there is a problem of revision for everyone. So there is a keywords approach to revise. Second, current affair, how to cover. So I have devised a 360-degree approach to current affair. Third, attempting the questions itself. There I have designed one threefold approach to attempt the question, whether elimination through conceptual interlinking or using theorems. Fourth, how to link static and current affair that you are going to learn. And last, how to maintain consistency and confidence. This is the point that is highly required in the next upcoming 90 days. So I request you to give me next of your 90 days. I will give you your prelims. So in this course, if you repose your faith in me, you are definitely going to qualify this prelims. And those who are not looking for intense mentorship, those can also join for general group. There will be a test and overall mentorship for me, current affair magazine, score boosting videos. There will be Zoom meetings also, and current affairs and economic survey and budget view that is also included in the select group. I have provided a Google form link in the description. You fulfill it and let me know your preference. In case of any query, doubts, or any guidance required for the prelims 2021, you can reach out to me and I will handle those. I will answer those queries or any doubts that you have as much as possible. And again, I request you to give me your 90 days and I will give you your prelims. And especially those who are stuck in their nervous 90s, that they are unable to get beyond 100, not able to cross the cutoff and stuck in the 90s for last 1 or 2 attempts or 3 attempts. I request you to give yourself and give me this chance to help you to score this above 120, above 130 and clear this year prelims.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.